Hello friends. Hello friends. Hello friends. Hello friends. Welcome to the channel. दोस्तों आप सब खुश होंगे। दोस्तों दोस्तों यस, अभी हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं बीटीसी के बारे में। देखो मैंने क्या बोला था, अभी थोड़ा सा बीटीसी का जो मूवमेंट है ना, अप एंड डाउन होने वाला है। तो अप एंड डाउन हुआ है और यही रेंज में पूरी बीटीसी चला है। ओके, अभी ऊपर की रेंज ब्रेक नहीं कर रहा है और नीचे की अगर ये रेंज ब्रेक किया ना 64,000 वाला, तो फिर नीचे 50,000 भी टच कर सकता है। ठीक है दोस्तों, क्योंकि ये जो रेंज है ना, हम लोग डेली पे देख रहे हैं, करेक्ट। दोस्तों अभी 65,000 का लेवल चल रहा है। अभी अगर ये लेवल क्रॉस नहीं किया और 70,000 क्रॉस करके ऊपर क्लोज किया, तो फिर उसको यहाँ पे टच कर सकता है, मतलब 78,000 और समथिंग टच कर सकता है। बट मुझे अभी थोड़ा सा नीचे की ओर ज़्यादा मूवमेंट लगता है दोस्तों, क्योंकि एक नीचे आया, फिर यहाँ पे जिग जैग मूव कर रहा है, जिग जैग नीचे। यहाँ पे अगर ये लेवल को क्रॉस कर देता है 63,000 को, वापस 60,000 और 60,000 के नीचे चला जाएगा। ठीक है तो दोस्तों, एक मिनट है। अभी 16,980 है और XRP 1.32 है। गोल्ड थोड़ा सा अपर साइड है, बिकॉज ये एक्चुअली बिटकॉइन का अभी मूवमेंट थोड़ा सा डाउन साइड ज़्यादा दिख रहा है, क्योंकि बिटकॉइन जो हमें दिख रहा है ना दोस्तों, ये आप अभी देख रहे हैं कि ये एक्चुअली डेली टाइम फ्रेम में टच किया था 59,000, उसके बाद में टच किया था 71,000, उसके बाद में टच किया 65,000, देन टच किया 71, देन 65, देन 75, देन अभी 63 और 64 के बीच में चल रहा है। तो दोस्तों ये सब चीज़ एक्चुअली ज़्यादातर प्रॉब्लमेटिक है। देखो सोलेनो का हम लोग पहले डेली टाइम फ्रेम में देख लेते हैं हर एक का, ठीक है। उसका मैंने बनाया नहीं है बट बना भी सकता हूँ, बना भी सकता हूँ। यस, ये होगा, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। तो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे है? प्रॉब्लम मैं बोलता हूँ। दोस्तों दोस्तों थोड़ा सा ये टच करके फिर वापस आ सकते हैं, क्योंकि डबल बॉटम बनाएगा तो आप देख सकते हैं। सो अभी 15 मिनट का चार्ट आपको दिखाता हूँ मैं, क्या होने वाला है और क्या हो सकता है। ठीक है दोस्तों, अभी अभी 15 मिनट चार्ट ऐसे बोल रहा है कि डाउनवर्ड है। डाउनवर्ड क्यों बोल रहा है? बिकॉज ये देखिए ऐसे मूव हो रहा है, ठीक है, और ये मूवमेंट ऐसे हो रहा है। सो यहाँ से डाउन ट्रेंड मूवमेंट हो, दोस्तों अभी यहाँ पे बैकग्राउंड नॉइस बहुत ज़्यादा है, लोग युद्ध कर रहे हैं, वॉर कर रहे हैं, तो बैकग्राउंड नॉइस बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है अभी। से यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा सिचुएशन अभी डाउन साइड ज़्यादा है, बिटकॉइन का जो मूवमेंट है ना वो डाउन साइड बहुत ज़्यादा है, नहीं के अप साइड। ओके, तो हम लोग देखेंगे कैसे मूवमेंट हो रहा है, उसके आगे हम लोग कुछ करेंगे। ठीक है दोस्तों, अभी आप सब लोग देख रहे हैं यस यस दोस्तों। सो अभी हम देख रहे हैं सो दोस्तों अभी हम लोग का करंट ट्रेड हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं। ठीक है, 1 मिनट का ट्रेड कैसे जा रहा है। 1 मिनट का ट्रेड में मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये बॉटम को टच कर सकता है, ये टॉप को टच नहीं करेगा। टॉप को टच करने के लिए उसको ये लेवल ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट। तो ये लेवल ब्रेक करने के लिए उसको ज़्यादा ये चैनल ब्रेक करने के लिए उसको ज़्यादा फोर्स लगाना पड़ेगा अपर साइड। तो पहले वो बॉटम साइड थोड़ा सा फोर्स लगाएगा। बॉटम साइड फोर्स लगाएगा तो 64,500 तक चला जाएगा। यहाँ पे एक्चुअली 600 पॉइंट का डाउन साइड ज़्यादातर मुझे दिख रहा है। सो ठीक है, दोस्तों हम लोग का अभी डाउन साइड ज़्यादा दिख रहा है, तो हम लोग सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि आप एक काम करें, एक ट्रेड डाउन साइड का लगाएं। ठीक है, शॉर्ट बोला मैंने, मतलब शॉर्ट मीन शॉर्ट। ठीक है, सो अभी ये ट्रेंड चालू है हमारा। ठीक है, सो वी आर जस्ट डूइंग our work, whatever. See, this one is very very interesting. See, this channel, upper channel and down the lower channel, both are now in 1 minute time frame. And see, upper channel actually 3 times not breaking. Okay, so that's gone to the down channel. The most probability is going to the downward channel. Okay, so right now having a rate of 65,050. Okay, so it will be moved towards 64,500. And see, if 64,500, if it's not touch and the channel breaking, so what is the, see, channel breaking is 100 to 200 points we are putting our stop loss, so that will be a risk. But the against the risk, it will be a gaining. And after crossing the lower, or after breaking the lower channel, it will be going to 60,000 level. So better to understand what will be the lowest point to achieve a bigger uh, increment. Okay, so people, see, this is our rule. We, so this is our rule. Okay, so we are not breaking our rules. First rule is like, you can limit your leverage limits. Okay, leverage, broker actually given 0 to 100 leverage, or sometimes 200 leverage also there in Bitcoin. But what we can do here, here we are we are limit ourselves, like we can not going 5 to 10% max in a main coin. If any altcoin is there, not going maximum up to the 5%. Okay. So what is benefit and which benefit if you get if you limit yourself? Okay. So what will be the benefit? First benefit, see, you are not liquidate in terms of how many minutes or how many times you can save. If the one example I can give you, if you can put 100 leverage, 100x leverage, if you have a 1 lakh rupees, and if you have 1 lakh rupees, and if you take 100x leverage, then you can take a buying selling up to 1 crore rupees. Okay, so 1 crore rupees is the highest amount, right? And if your investment is 1 lakh rupees, so 1% up or down, it will be impacting your liquidation. So if you have some liquidation, or if you have a possibility to liquidation, is how many times? So we can just comparison between if 100x is there, or see, three comparisons we can give: 100x, 30x, and 10x. Okay, so in that, what will be the our rule? Like like see, if 100x, we can take buying up to 1 crore. Okay, if 30x, we can take our buying is 30 lakh. Okay, so against 1 lakh. Okay, investment. And if 10x leverage we can do, then it will be a lakh. Okay, see what will be the difference. So that is a one type of, okay, you can get more buy or more sell. Okay, but if more sell or more buy, you can lose more or you can profit also more. But here, if you are if you are lucky man, you can get more profit. Okay, but see what will be our role? We cannot lose anything. Okay, so if we cannot lose anything, then, or maybe we can lose, but we can control our losses. Then what will be our role? See, if 10x, 30x, and 100x, so if you believe 1 lakh rupee, if you invest, and 1x leverage is there, then you can not liquidate anywhere. If your if like like your bitcoin values, if you can have a $65,000 right now, if you have a zero value, then you can drop, or you can liquidate your investment. Okay, but 1x is not be our criteria, because 1x is there, then 1x is it's okay, but 2x is there, then 35,000 plus or 35,000 minus you can liquidate. Okay, so 35,000 also we can in bitcoin it's too much. Okay, high or too much lower, we cannot going to do too much also. But 5x, what I can suggest, you can do only 3x to 5x on normal, or 7x maximum for main coin. So but if 5x is there, then how means how much you can. So 5x is there, then your total amount 1 lakh become 5 lakh. Okay, so this is 20%. So 20% ups and down you can accommodate. Okay, and one more thing here, you can concentrate. One more thing you can see. One more thing you can uh, concentrate. Like what? See, we here we here what we can do. Here two things we are limited. Okay, see what is the behavior of leverage. If 5x, you can up to 20%, you cannot leverage, you cannot liquidate. Okay, so you can accommodate behavior of 20%. You can survive yourself. Okay, but if 10x is there, then your accommodation is 10 time. Okay, and no, your buying or selling is 10 times, and your accommodation of leverage, like you can up to 10% you can accommodate. Okay, so first 5x 20% you can accommodate, 10x 10% accommodate. So Bitcoin 10% is how much time you can see. See, 10% is most of time means 2%, 3%, 5%. So 10% is, yes. See, 60,000 become 70,000. So many times it can happen. Okay. So, but see, best figure is 5x. So 20% here and there. So you can accommodate yourself, and you can focus your trade. You can survive, and you can think about after the you have a trade. If trade is your trade, if against you, then also you can accommodate those things. Okay, if 20x is there, then how much? So only 5% accommodation. Okay, 5% accommodation is nothing. Okay, if you are lucky, you can get more, but if you are unlucky, you can lose things. Okay, if 30x, it's major difference. So 100x means 1%, like that. Okay, so first training rule is accommodate whatever leverage, like less leverage you can stand your trading career. Okay, if you want to lose, you want to increase the leverage, you want to like more profit, but in terms of losing, you can nearby. Okay, so any time you can lose your money, so better not to lose, so not to go for high leverage. Okay, this is one rule. Second rule is there. So what is the second rule? Second rule is put SL on trade. Okay, you can say no, I'm doing leverage also. Why I can put SL? See, SL is limited loss. Okay, if first trade you are maybe mistaken, you can winning. Okay, if second trade you cannot win, but if second trade is against you, you can lose everything, right? If 10x movement is there, 10 time movements, 10% movement, you can lose everything, right? Or 20, you can lose everything. But why you cannot live? Why you means what is the protection rule for SL? If 10% of your investment, if SL is see, what will be a rule? I don't know, but we can save ourselves. Like we cannot lose our valuable money or hard money. Correct. So this is our see why see this is the one type of workshop uh, in that we can discuss our rules, we can discuss our thoughts, we can discuss our trading methodology, and that one is more useful because if we are clear in our methodology, we are clear in our rules, then the discipline is always with you, and all all like all rules, all disciplines people, success will be next to you. Okay, so I believe you are one of the guy if you are following the rule, if you are see, this is the two rule, like leverage limitation and SL. Okay, these are the two rules. You can survive yourself. You can see. So so in between we can give, or we can, like, what thought we have. See, if we are putting a trade here, okay, see, if we are putting a trade here, and this trade is like two possibilities are there. One is going to up, one is going to down. Okay, and see, what will be the rule? If 50% chance you can win or you can lose. Okay, but 50% chance is winning chance, right? And 50% chance is losing chance. Okay, but 50% chance, why you can take a 50% chance for lose everything? If losing everything, you can not survive, or you can lose your confidence also. So better, losing everything is not a good idea. You can stand. See, in cricket, what will be the happiest moment? If you are standing in a pitch and you are putting 1 run, 2 run, like that, maybe after that you can take more runs also, more fours, more six, like that. Okay, but if you are not using your thoughts, if you are not apply your mind, then maybe first ball, if you and the first ball maybe not like Yorker, or like bad ball. So if you are thinking, if I can go for six, maybe more chances will be you can catch out, you can stump out, like that, right? So better to avoid those things. So if avoid those things, you can survive number of days more. If you are survive number of days more, you can getting more profit. Definitely, you can write down my words. Okay, so that is the one moment. See, that is the one moment we can go for profitable trade. Okay, so profitable trade is most important, and losing a trade or losing a liquidation or losing a investment or fear liquidation, that is skipping. Okay, so this is the one way, like we can go for short or long, but the losing movement will be avoided. Okay, if see, your probability is 50-50%, right? If you are taking any trade, you can 50% win, you can 50%. Okay, like, okay, winning probability, we can not thinking. Okay, now we are thinking a losing probability. Okay, 50% are losing. Okay, 50% are losing. That time your trade will be against you. If, like, leverage is lesser, then quantity will be lesser. Okay, so quantity will be lesser means what? Your stop loss, like right now we have 6.5 risk reward ratio. Okay, so we have 100 points or 150 points stop loss against what? Against 600 points profit, right? So if losing movements are there, yes, losing movements, you can lose 10% of your investment. So your investment will becomes 90,000. Okay, but you are not lose everything. Correct? Right. So this is the win. This is the losing. Okay. If winning strategies are there, if winning possibilities are there, then what you can win? Yeah, we can see. Uh, if you are follow, if you are following one rule, this rule, number of time you can see your screen, and you can learn in history also what is the probability of that. So 60% probability. So if 60% probability is there, you are never lose anything. More than 50% probability, you can win everything. Okay, so this is the my rule, this is the my trade. I cannot lose any money, I cannot lose any confidence. See, if we will stand in trading pitch, you can survive everything. Okay, so this is our rule, this is our logic, whatever you you will tell. Okay, so guys, if you are happily, if you are thinking you are happily trade in this rule, you can go for trade, but your rule will be definitely your rule. Okay, thank you very much for giving a time. Thank you again. You can listen my rule, you can not. And thank you very much for your future trade. thank you very much for whatever career you choose, but this is the finest career, and this is a more critical. You can get more, you can lose more, but this career you can whatever you thought you can get. Okay, so this is our thinking. Okay, okay, thank you very much, and give me a uh, see, if you are not liking this, please like, please subscribe, and please join my Telegram channel. And if any questions is there, if any type of questions, you can uh, put on live chat also. You can put on after the chat also. I can resolve your questions. Uh, uh, in Telegram, non-VIP channels are there. This is free, and we are giving we will give you in that one. We can give you that one trade at a time in a day. But if you are in a VIP group, and what is the like uh, what is the possibilities, or how you can go for VIP groups? That is your question, right? So if you are like if you are new, or if you are having a account like Delta, or Shark, or anyone, so you can go for creation, or you can put my partner code. So I can basically I can uh, you are joined with VIP groups having a number of time more winning trades. Actually, uh, we are trading in five main coins like BTC, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and the gold. Okay, and sometimes actually we are putting altcoin also. But mainly actually these coins we are covering in live channel also. And if you are loving our live channel, you can most every time actually 9:30 to 12:30 we are here. And see, if you have some questions, just put your questions in a chat box, so we can learn everything. Okay, jointly, because see, learning is not see, learning is every time. Learning is way how we can learn. That is our view. How we can teach ourselves. That is our view. So please, people, please, student, like you are you have what can I say? Uh, People, students, focus what you want. Okay, maybe you don't know about the actually the see in my career, maybe in 2005, I'm not having that much of clarity. See, if industries are happily in my first day, something is good, something is bad. What we can learn, that is our rule. Okay, I'm not I'm not putting my views, but you can choose your career wisely, right? So if now see, nowadays, if you are knowing a S1 plus, it's very good, because because sometimes actually you got thoughts, right? Whatever you you are getting, that's a good thing. Yes. So thank you very much. Maybe I cannot stop, but here you can most of time you can see, right? So people, this is the crossing of the limit. Okay, this is the channel, but channels actually this is the upper body. Okay, upper body. I can move little bit up. Okay, so it will be not reach upper body. Okay, or if reach, it will be okay, but it will be save yourself. Okay, so